How we have everything set up is it's like an art gallery. So you walk in, you're able to see the data and look at it as art. You actually can stand, have a conversation, and really dissect what these numbers are saying and what stories tell.
Lots of people at my table. I was a table discussion leader tonight, and many of the participants all said that, they came to just kind of learn more, figure out the research to figure out what we need to do to make change.
The things that bother me the most are that we need to support the inner city and help to bring more attention to the lack of health care for all of our citizens.
Everybody has a part to play in trying to help the community to do better. And if this data walk will open the eyes of the community as to how we can do better and where we need to do better in specific areas, then let's have the data walk.
There's a lot of data, in regards to education and mental health and overdose and deaths and the prevalence and the rates and, the disparities here in Escambia County compared to other counties.
So I work in healthcare and I work in healthcare data. An event like this opens up beyond just healthcare, but it looks at housing, access to healthcare coverage, education from a broader lens across the entire area and makes it really easy to understand and provoke questions. So coming to a place like this, you get a lot of people who have lots of different viewpoints coming together to speak about it, and then hopefully that's the catalyst for change.
But to see a lot more younger people coming into the room to have the conversation, that just expands it even more when we start talking about the equity, the conversation around equity. And that's generational, not just racially, that's generational.
This is our first time coming to this. Yeah, these are the actual issues that are impacting people, and sometimes that's never named or connected. We're definitely taking away from this how to better speak to the community and connect their concerns about education or healthcare directly to those public policy outcomes.
The fact that this information is out here, you just need to be able to engage it, be able to embrace it, and be able to share it with those who need the information. So really, the data walk is really important. The Equity Project Alliance is important. All of it because it brings the conversations to the table. It brings different people from different walks of life, different community, different backgrounds to talk about the common goal is how can we make the community better and make it more equitable for those across the country.
We had a whole bunch of younger people, so we're excited because we know that it has to be generational, and to see multiple generations here tonight is also incredibly encouraging.